If you are a beginner and you don't know how to use social media to market your business, then you are in the right place to get some help. By the end of this video, you will have 4 steps that you can use to get started on your social media marketing strategy. For the best tips on how you can use social media for your business, especially if you're a healthcare professional, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. So if you don't know where to get started, the first thing that you need to do and the first step you need to take is to figure out where your ideal patient or your ideal client is hanging out online. Which platform do you think your ideal patient will be using the most? Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube. You need to get inside the mind of your ideal patient and figure out exactly where they are hanging out. If you're looking at an older demographic, maybe Facebook is better for you. If you're looking at a younger demographic, something like Instagram is absolutely incredible. On a side note, when you're looking and choosing one of these platforms to work with, you need to be figuring out what kind of content you're comfortable creating. So, do you prefer using videos? Do you prefer writing captions and posting photos? A combination of both maybe? A platform like YouTube is great for videos, but you can also use Instagram and Facebook to showcase your videos. If you aren't comfortable using video, then you definitely don't want to use a platform like YouTube. You'll likely want to stay in using Instagram or Facebook. Personally, I have found the most success using Instagram and the second most success using Facebook. And that's because those are the platforms I like to hang out with, and because that is where my ideal patient is. Most of my ideal patients are coming from Instagram. I don't quite utilize YouTube as much because YouTube is more of a search engine. You're less likely going to find a patient that will come into your office after finding you on YouTube. If you're still not sure which platform you should be using, then leave a comment below and tell me who your ideal patient is, and I will be sure to help you out. Step number 2 is going to be to complete your profile. Your username, your email, your location, how people can contact you, a good photo of you. Your bio is everything. Let people know who you are and what you do and how you will benefit them if they follow you or if they are part of your community. Step number 3 is to start creating content. Now, you may think that you don't have a following, but guess what? We all start from scratch. And nobody is going to follow you if you don't have any content. Now, I don't want you to just post things to post things. I want you to focus on creating valuable content for your audience and putting out valuable content every single day. If you're stuck and you want to learn more about how you can create content, especially for Instagram, then check out my video on how to create content. I've linked it below in the description, so make sure that you watch that video. Now, if you're one of my insiders and you are in my program, Grow with a Gram, we go over this in great detail. So make sure to watch the lesson on creating valuable content for your audience. The next thing you need to do is to build a connection with people. You're on social media to be social. So start building connections with people on each of those platforms that you are using. Start finding people and start leaving comments on their pages. Engage with their content. Start finding colleagues and sending them DMs or respond to comments that other people have left them. When you post on your page, if somebody leaves a comment, it means that they have taken time out of their busy schedule to leave a comment on your page. Don't overlook that. Make sure you respond to each and every comment that you get, no matter how big your platform gets. And make sure to respond to all of your DMs. Social media really is all about that one-to-one connection that you make with people. So thank people when they leave comments. Respond to them when they ask you questions. Respond to their DMs when they send you a message. Over time, as you are spending time engaging with other people's accounts and pages, people will come back to your profile and they will become a follower and they will begin to engage with your content as well. And building that type of community is exactly what you need in order to turn those followers into active patients of yours. Now, before I end this video, I want to leave you with one last bonus tip. So if you tuned out for a second, I want you to come back to me and listen to this part of the video. I want to make sure that you're not so worried about your follower count. If you only have 10 people following you, what I want you to do is focus on serving those 10 people with value. When you start focusing on serving those people that are already in your community, then you will start growing. And you will start growing an engaged audience, which is the best way to turn your followers into active patients or active clients in your business. Now that you know how you can get started, I want to let you know that I have an Instagram guide for healthcare professionals that you can download below for free. It's in the description. It's going to be 30 captions that you can copy and paste when you're tired, or you can use those captions as templates to create your own. I'm also giving you a daily Instagram strategy so you know exactly what to do when you hop on the platform so that you're not wasting any time. The link to the guide is in the description below, so make sure that you download it. And if you are interested in going into more detail on how you can use Instagram or social media to grow your business, you can get my free 3-part video series that will teach you how you can use Instagram to grow your business. The link for those videos is also in the description below, or you can go to growwithagram.com. Now, if you felt like this video was helpful, I want you to comment below with the word helpful and make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure that you share this video with your fellow healthcare professionals. I can't wait to see you in the next video.